Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? I hope you're good. Let's make water leaf drink. This water leaf is plucked and is fresh from the farm, and we're going to use a handful of this water leaf, just a handful for an adult, and I'm going to put it into my bowl and we're going to go wash this. We're going to wash this very clean with clean water because we'll not be parboiling or cooking this at all. Water leaf is a good source of calcium, magnesium, potassium. It's rich in minerals and amino acids. For the purpose of today's video, I'll be showing you how to use water leaf to manage your blood pressure and the sugar level. And now we are still washing this. I'm washing it in such a way that the sand or any dirt in it will sink underneath, and I'll transfer it into the sieve. I'm going to repeat this process for a number of times till this water leaf is very clean, and I'm going to allow it sit in the sieve to drain out all the water before we start blending it. And we'll be adding a glass of clean water, about 300 ml. Remember, we're not boiling this, so the water must be clean drinking water. And we're going to blend this. We're not going to juice it, and we'll sieve it out from a strain. Everything I used for this is clean and ready for consumption because we'll not be boiling this at all. I got introduced to this drink by an elderly friend of mine. It helps to relieve stress, it helps to relieve headaches and fatigue, and is to be taken when you are about to sleep. If your sleeping time is in the morning or at night, whenever it's time for you to sleep, that is when you should take this drink because the possibility of it making you feel sleepy is there. I have to make it clear here that I'm not a doctor or a dietitian. This is an ancient wisdom passed down to me, and everyone I have introduced it to has testified to its amazing benefits. This drink shouldn't be taken every other night. Once a week it's fine, and usually at bedtime. So if you have issues with constant headaches or you're always stressed out, do give this drink a try. Please like, subscribe. Remember, at Glory Homemaker, we give you value for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.